Good day everyone. So today we will tackle about matrices and matrix operation. So first, we will define matrix. So matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged in rows, columns. It is used to store data, represent system of equation, and perform transitions. Here are some examples of matrices. We have 5 examples of matrix, the 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 2 by 4, and 1 by 5. Matrix A is 1 by 1 because it has one row and one column. Matrix B, it is 2 by 2 because it has two rows and two columns. Matrix C is a 3 by 3 matrix. It is 3 by 3 because it has 3 rows and 3 columns. And matrix D is 2 by 4 matrix. It is 2 by 4 because it has 2 rows and 4 columns. And letter E is 1 by 5 matrix. 1 by 5 because it has 1 row and 5 columns.
So we come now to the matrix operation. So we have addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication, matrix multiplication, and transpose. First, addition. Addition of matrices, it refers to the operation of adding the matrices by summing the corresponding elements. This is the formula and example of addition. So we have A plus B is equal to AB, CD plus EF, GH is equal to A plus E, B plus F, C plus G, D plus H. So let A, example, let A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, and B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Then, to solve this matrix, we have to apply this formula. Then A plus B is equal to 2 plus 5, 3 plus 6, 4 plus 7, and 5 plus 8. So the final answer is AB is equal to 7, 9, 11, 13. We come now to the subtraction. Matrix subtraction is an operation where two matrices of same dimension are subtracted by taking the differences of their corresponding elements. This is the formula of subtraction. A minus B is equal to AB, CD minus EF, GH is equal to AE, B minus F, C minus G, D minus H. So, example, let A is equal to 2, 8, 6, 7, and B is equal to 3, 6, 5, 8. So, to solve this matrix, we need to apply this formula. Then A minus B is equal to 2 minus 3, 8 minus 6, 6 minus 5, 7 minus 8. So, the final answer is equal to negative 1, 2 minus 3 is negative 1, 8 minus 6 is positive 2, 6 minus 5 is 1. 7 minus 8 is negative 1. So we come now to the scalar multiplication. Multiply every element by a constant. So this is the formula and example of scalar multiplication. So we have 5a is equal to ab, cd is equal to a times 5, b times 5, c times 5, d times 5. Example, to solve this matrix, we need to apply this formula. So 5a, let 5a is equal to 3 times 5, 4 times 5, 1 times 5, 5 times 5. So 5a is equal to 15, 5, 20, and 25.
So we come now to the matrix multiplication. So meaning, multiply rows of the first matrix by column of the second. So this is the formula of matrix multiplication. And this is the example problem. So matrix A is equal to 3, 4, 6, 2, and matrix B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 4. So solve this problem, we will use this formula. So 3 times 2 plus 4 times 5, 6 times 2 plus 2 times 5, 3 times 3 plus 4 times 4, 6 times 3 plus 2 times 4. So 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 5 is 20, 6 times 2 is 12, 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 3 is 9, 2 times... We come now to the last operation of matrix. Transpose, meaning flip matrix over its diagonal. This is the formula of transpose. So A transpose is equal to ABCD is equal to ACBD. So as you can see, these two rows will become two columns. So this is the example problem of transpose. Transpose A is equal to 3, 4, 8, 2. We will use this formula of this. So 3, 4, 8, 2 is equal to 3, 8, 4, 2. Let's try another example of matrix but transpose, but this time we will use 3 by 3 matrix. So this is the formula and this is the example problem. So we will use this formula. Okay. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So these three rows, 1, 2, 3, will become 3 columns. 2, 3. So B transpose is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is equal to 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9. Okay.